Hey, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is the Julia Inspired Lifestyle channel, and on this channel we talk about how to make money, how to save money, and how to manage money. Today I got a jam-packed video for you. Trust me, a simple way to understand stocks. Now I know there's so many ways to build wealth, and remember what we talk about in this channel is how to make money, how to save money, and then how to multiply your money. So now one of the ways we build wealth is stocks, and stock is like my major. I'm so unapologetic about it. Today I'm going to be sharing with us how we can understand stock. All right, so what is stock? I just want to make it simple so that you understand this. A stock is where you can become a part owner of a publicly traded company. Making sense? Yep. So a stock is actually known as equity, which is like a security that represents the ownership of a fraction of the issuing corporation, which is the company. So take for instance, company like Apple. You know, we all use Apple phones and all that. And then this company says, I want you to take a part, be a co-owner with us. So when we make profits, we share profits with you. When the value of our company grows up, you make money. That's exactly what happens in the stock market. So I just want to break it down in a simplified way so you'll be able to understand. Okay, so the unit of stock are called shares. So when someone says, oh, I have 10 shares in this company, I have 100 shares in this company, the more shares you have, the more money you are exposing yourself to. Okay, so just think of companies. What are these companies that you use? Think of the companies that you use their product, like Apple. Think of Snapchat. I'm just giving us an example. Then things that we use, like Coke, we drink Coke, McDonald's, think far. These are the kind of companies you should be thinking of investing in them. Now, let me explain again. A stock is like a pie, like a chart, it's like a box of pizza. Yeah, I was trying to get the exact word, like a box of pizza. All right, so now, you know, in pizza they cut it into bits. So you can buy the entire box of pizza. You can also buy the pizza and just pick a portion. That's what we call fractional share. So for example, you want to buy a share from a company like Tesla, and the value of one share is maybe probably $200, but all you can afford is $10. So in that $10, they cut a piece. They cut the $10 out of the 200. So they give you 10 out of the 200, and you hold a piece of it, and you can still make money with that piece. This is so interesting. That's what we call fractional shares. So basically, you can either own the entire pack of the stock, or you can own a piece of the stock. So whatever benefit that goes to the person who has the whole pack comes to you who has just a piece. And that is why when it comes to stock market investing, you can actually start investing little by little. So you can own this thing through, okay, people usually ask, how do I even get involved? Like, how do I start buying shares from Apple? Instead of just having the phone, why won't I just have the shares, which is fantastic. The question is, how do I now get access? These stocks can be purchased through an exchange broker. So I'm sure you have seen some of my other videos I've done using Bamboo and Trove, which is the ones available for us. So you can see that you can use this exchange and buy it. So I'm going to link that video in this particular video so that you can go and watch how you can actually purchase your shares of your preferred companies using these apps. Okay, so now, like I said before, the more you buy, the more you own in the company. So if I have just 5 shares of Snapchat, and Snapchat I bought them at $5, and then someone else has 100 shares, and then the value of this share goes from $5 to $7. For me that have just 5 shares, I've made my 5 shares multiplied by the $2 that appreciated, so I've made $10. For the person that has 100, that's the person making $200. So you can see how it's working. So you can now understand how people make money in the stock market. So I hope this has really opened your eyes, because I feel like before I start telling you the things we do in the community, leveraging the stock market, you should have an idea what the stock market is. So I believe you've enjoyed this video. We have other videos coming up. Do us a favor, like, subscribe, and drop a comment. Did you learn something? Please drop it in the comment section, and look forward to the next video. When you subscribe to this YouTube channel, you'll be able to see the next videos that we're going to be dropping. And should I give you a clue? Nah. Just stay tuned, but you'll be amazed when you see the video coming up right next. So take it easy, guys, and have a fantastic day.